Have you ever heard of intelligent robots designed to assist elderly, sick, or disabled individuals? They can perform tasks such as monitoring health, reminding about medication, conducting physical exercises, and even providing social support. These robots operate using artificial intelligence and advanced sensor technology. Grace, a nurse robot, aims to revolutionize healthcare with advanced AI systems and human-like features, equipped with sensors and facial expression capabilities. Grace can assist in diagnostics, provide companionship and support patients emotionally. With potential applications in healthcare settings and homes, nurse robots like Grace offer benefits such as alleviating nursing shortages and enhancing patient care quality. The collaboration between robots and humans in the field of healthcare, exemplified by nurse robots like Grace, holds immense promise for the future. With the advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, robots are set to play an increasingly vital role in healthcare settings. Grace, with her lifelike appearance, advanced AI system, and empathetic capabilities, represents a significant leap forward in robotic medical assistance. However, it is important to recognize that robots cannot replace the empathy and ethical decision-making abilities of human nurses. Nurse robots should be seen as valuable tools that support healthcare professionals and enhance the care they provide. With careful consideration of ethical implications and ongoing advancements in technology, the future of robotic medical assistance looks bright, offering new horizons for patient care and well-being.